Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. We are from Group 4. Here we will present the results of our discussion on pest control on tomato plants. First, let me introduce our member. My name is Amanda Faiza Jani with student number 73, Anggito Setio Dewanto with student number 74, and Dila Islami Salsabila with student number 102. Pest control in tomato plants depends on the type and level of damage experienced. Various efforts can be made to prevent and control pest attacks, including technical control by crop rotation, physical or mechanical control by reducing or controlling, biological control by utilizing biological agents, and chemical control with pesticides. Tomato plant is an annual dicotyledon plant. The position of tomato plants in the plant taxonomy system can be classified as follows. Kingdom is Plantae, division is Magnoliophyta, class is Magnoliopsida, order is Solanus, family is Solanaceae, genus is Solanum, and species is Lycopersicum esculentum. Pest control in tomato plants.
Okay, next, the first pest is tomato fruit caterpillar or Helicoverpa armigera. This pest mode is a yellowish with spot and black stripe. For the symptoms of attack of this pest, a larva or caterpillar hollow the fruit of the tomatoes so that they become rotten. Sometimes the larva attack the shoots of the plant and hollow out the branching. For the control this pest can be done by non-chemical and chemically. For the non-chemical, can be done by technical culture, maintaining the clean lines of the garden or sanitation from the remains of plant or grasses that are usually used as pest insect. Chemically, can be done by spraying insecticide such as Orthan, Hostation, or Dipel. The next pest is soil caterpillar or Acrotis ypsilon. Moth or butterflies are dark brown with several striped white dots. This pest more active at dusk and at night. During the day, this pest hide below ground level. Okay, symptoms of attack this pest: cut off the young plant at the base of the stem so that the plant become collapsed. More severe damage can result in considerable losses that are the death of plants. Okay, for the control, mechanically can be done by collecting and killing caterpillars, and technically by maintaining the cleanliness of the garden from the remains of plant affected by pests. Well, chemically with toxic bite Dipteryx 95 SL 125 until 250 gram plus brand 10 kg plus brown sugar 0.5 until 1 kg plus 1 liters of water mixed evenly enough for an area of 0.25 until 0.50 hectares. Installed at dusk and night around the plant and also sprayed with effective insecticide such as Hostation 40 EC. 1 until 2 cc per liter. Okay, next pest is kebul tick or Bemisia tabaki. Adult insects are white with a clear wings covered with a starchy waxy layer. Adult insects usually live in groups in larger numbers and when touched will fly like a meso-called white flies. A symptom attacks this pest is inhibited a growth of shoot or leaf because the whitefly sucks the liquid of a leaf cell and it extends produces honeydew, which becomes the medium of growth of shoot dew. This tick is a vector of viral disease. For the control, non-chemically can be done by doing crop rotation or rotation that is not the host of the whitefly. Chemically by spraying effective insecticides such as Meazurol 50 WP 2 cc per liter or by Rusil 25 SC 2 cc per liter. Okay, the next is thrips or thrips tabaki. The length of thrip is between 1 mm until 2 mm and is black stripe or red patch. Nymphs are white or yellowish white. The shape The shape of the nymphs resembles an adult but wingless bats. Thrips can also be a vector of the TSWV virus or tomato spot wilt virus. For the symptoms of attack, this attack sucks the liquid on the surface of the leaf. The part of the leaf that has been sucked becomes white or silver because air enters it. When a severe attack occurs, the leaf becomes dry and die. The affected young plant will wither and die. For the control can be done by non-chemical and chemically. For the non-chemical can clean the weeds in tomato planting area so not to become a shelter for thrips. This is because the TSWV virus has many host plants derived from weeds. A chemical control use pesticides such as diazinon, malathion, and monocrotopos.
Next is fruit flies or Dacus dorsalis. This pest has transparent wings 5 until 7 mm long with a length of 6 until 8 mm. Maggots live in the fruit for a week, then become pupae and last for 10 days. Then it hatches into a fly. Symptom of attack: tomato fruits attacked by fruit flies will become rotten due to disease or bacteria. When the fruit is open, it will look like there are white maggots. Control: at the time of viewing, the soil must be turned over and left a few days to several weeks to be exposed to sunlight so that the pupae dies. Flies can be caught using bait that can male flies with pheromone mixed with insecticide. Then there are many male flies die so that the offspring will be reduced. Fruit that have been attacked must be picked and burned immediately. Weeds in the planting area should also be routinely cleaned. To spotting mites: Tertanicus urticecodes. Mites are oval in shape, egg-like, with between 0.3 until 0.4 mm long, pale yellow in color with black patches on both sides to the back. Symptom of attack: the color of the leaf and shoot of the affected tomato plant will turn yellow. Next, the leaves become brown and dry. This mite is located behind the surface of the leaf with its cobwebs. These mites can transmit the virus. The attack occurs a lot in the dry season. Control can be using natural enemies such as mushroom Entomophora fresneri, thrips Colothrips segmoculatus, and Phytopsailus persimis mites. Within the tomato farming area must be routinely cleaned because it can be host planting mite-resistant varieties of tomatoes. Chemical control can use acaricides such as omit or exhale with sulfur fluoride. Red mite Tetranicus cinnabarinus. Red mites are egg-like, have a size of 0.3 until 0.5 mm. Female mites are dark red or brownish red with some black patches. Male mites are reddish with some small patches, and some are yellowish green with black patches. Male mites are smaller than female mites. Symptoms of attack: tomato leaf affected by red mites show red patches. This attack often occurs in the dry season and causes the plant to become dwarf. Behind the affected tomatoes will be seen the webbing of fine threads that are death nests. Next, the leaves will become dry because the liquid is sucked by mites. Control can be done in several ways, such as cleaning weeds, planting red mite-resistant tomato varieties, and using natural enemies such as thrips and tiger beetles. Chemical control can use roticides. Neck root swollen nematode or Meloidogyne incognita. The nematode forms a small worm-like root bulges, measure about 0.4 until 0.8 mm for female and 1.2 until 1.9 for males. Symptoms of attack: the root of the affected tomatoes will swell. The plant will have difficulty in taking water in the soil because the roots of plant cannot absorb water containing nutrients perfectly. As a result, chlorosis occurs, namely abnormal leaf color, stunt growth, plants wither, small fruit, and plants become older faster. Control can be done by rotating plants with Tagetes spatula or Tagetes erecta, which produce thiophene to kill nematodes. When tillaged, the soil is hot and left for some time to be exposed to sunlight. The soil can be inundated with water long enough for nematodes to die. Organic fertilizer to prevent the development of these nematodes, which in the area should be routinely cleaned. Chemical control can use furadan. Thank you very much for your attention. We would like to apologize if there is a mistake.